Okay, I've got some voice and looks like we are recording now. And I want to show you how to go over to Canvas, access it, talk a little bit about that. And then I'll be doing some intro. We'll do intros in class for the course, but I wanted to give you this just a little quick overview here on Canvas. You come to the OVU website, you go into search. If you haven't logged in to Canvas, I'm just going to go over here and I'll do the search button at the OVU site. Do log in, and then it will give you the help desk link, and you'll see there's the login data information for Canvas. So you already you have that. Now I'm going to go back to the search button itself, and then you'll see there's a link to Canvas. Click on that, and you know the login data. And I had logged in already, so I'm logging back in. This will show my dashboard of the courses I'm teaching. And so this little video is useful for anybody who's taking a course with me this semester, undergrad or grad. You're taking it through Canvas. So I just wanted to show you the features in it. This is a business policy. Those of you are taking that with me. Some of you are taking business problem analysis. Some of you are taking data admin. That's a grad class I taught this summer. This is a grad class this fall that's going on. And then these are two classes. This is an Intro to Management Science, MGMT 3603, and this is the MIS course, BISS 3503. Now, I'm going to come over here for a moment to, just by way of illustration to show you. I'm going to click into the business problem analysis. And once you've logged in, you'll come in over and you'll be listed among the people. And that people, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to do settings, okay? And I'm going to I'm going to go to the student view. So you'll be seeing what I'll be showing you what you yourself will be seeing. Canvas is organized basically a lot like Moodle or any other learning management system. It has a series of modules. Here's the welcome module, and I'm going to collapse that. Here's the module for each of the weeks, okay? And you'll see, for example, in this week, familiar stuff like upload Excel file here. Here's a link to a quiz, and then some things, I'll provide some other links to resources, that type of thing. Okay, that's pretty familiar to you. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. There are some other features, though, I want to show you, and this involves how the course is laid out, the course schedule. Now, I have a course schedule embedded in the syllabus for each of my courses. But there are really, when you come to Canvas, 3 ways to keep up on what's going on. First of all is to go in week by week, or what they would call module by module. If I click on something, it's going to show me everything I'm talking, any assignments that are due, okay? And if I have some links to things, I want to talk about, I'll do that. Obviously, now in week 0 is a course intro. Now, this is going to be the same for no matter what course you're taking with me in Canvas or that you ever take. The second place to find out about what's due, etc., what's going on, is to click on this. Over here it says syllabus. It's a little deceiving, but it will show you, okay, all of the assignments and when they're due. And then if you click on them, it will tell you, how many items, points, etc. Now there's another section called files. Open that up. And that's often going to be places, all of the files that I use, okay, are in here. And so we had been over to modules. Okay. Then that gives us a sense of then files. Okay, and that's where I'll have some resources, and you'll see the course syllabus in there and instructions on different assignments. Those are also out in the modules. Then over here also, we've done the modules and when we've done the files, and I also want you to be on, you have a calendar. And as you can see, you can look at it for the week, for the month, or by agenda, as you can see. The month tells you everything that's going to be due. So, staying up with the Joneses or staying up with the course is pretty easily to do. I'm going to scroll back over here. There's some other sections in here that you're going to need to want, and this is going to be the case regardless of what course you take with me. You'll want to pay attention to the announcements area, and I'll click over here. Okay, and here I've already posted an announcement about my revised class schedule and office hours for fall. And as announcements come up, I will add them, so you'll want to take a look at them. This thing called assignments is fairly interesting. This is where you're going to upload stuff. I think it has it has exams in there due as well. Now, this will really give you the detail. For example, financial ratios quiz. It's worth 50 points. It's available the 24th of August. And if you click on that, it will tell you how many points, how many questions. And of course, the quiz at this point is locked. And that would be for any quiz or exam that you have with me in any course. Remember, I'm just using this as an example. This one course, so you can see it's laid out pretty much like that in all of them. I'm going to go leave the student view for a second. And close that. And I'm going to go to my dashboard. And I'll take another course here. Let's look at the data admin course. Same kind of thing there as the modules. That syllabus, click on it, it'll take you to the assignments. Of course, there's the calendar. Of course, you have an inbox as well. That's for your mail. As you can see, they'll have a lot going on. This is, if I'm not mistaken, the graduate class. No, this is data admin, yeah. So again, we'll look at the syllabus. It shows you when stuff's due. So that's pretty much it in terms of navigating, logging into it, navigating through Canvas. The usual thing and I'll go back over here to another one of these courses I'm teaching. This is Management Science. Again, you want to know what's going on in the course, you're kind of a sense of the calendar. There's the course calendar, which is most obvious. The modules. You click on syllabus, that'll take you to those assignments, or you could look at quizzes. That'll give you a lot of detail on how many points there are, how many questions. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go back to the dashboard here. And I'm going to log out, and I'll be sending this file out to everybody who's taking a class with me so that you'll have an idea of how to navigate through Canvas, how to use it, etc. Okay, and if you had a class with me, for example, I forgot to show you, I'll go back here for a minute. I'll go back into the business problem analysis. And week 1, I think you have some work to do. Yeah, this is pretty typical. Here's where you'll upload a file. Now I'm going to go back to student view, so it'll look like what it does for you. So let me go to settings. There we go. Week 1. And the assignment's locked, but when it's ready, you'll have a place to upload the assignment. In fact, let me do this, leave the student view for a minute so that you can see it. And I'm going to go over to my dashboard. And I'm going to go to the, this is the information technology, the fall graduate course I'm teaching. Their class starts the 8th. They run a 6-week term, 8-week term, excuse me. And I'm going to go back to student view. I wanted you to see what it looks like in some of you may have used Canvas, so I wanted to let you see what it looks like to upload a assignment. Here's one. And I have that one locked. But you submit it. There'll be a link there, you submit it, and away you go. So I outsmarted myself at that point. One of the nice things about Canvas is that it has a help, online student resources, or ask your instructor, that type of thing, which is really, really good. So I'm going to leave the student view. And I'm going to go on there. For example, on this, it already shows it just coming up, what they've got to do. So that's pretty much it in terms of navigating, logging into Canvas, navigating through it. As we go through the course, you'll get more and more familiar with it. It's, I think, a little bit more intuitive and useful. But again, to find out where things are, how things are going on, kind of a scheduling, and some other things like key instructions for particular assignments, that's all here. Or you can go to the syllabus. That'll list things. Or you could look at quizzes, any of the exams. Or you could just click on assignments, that's stuff you upload and so forth. The syllabus mixes and matches all of them in. Then you go back to the home, and that gives you the overview of the entire Moodle room for your course. Okay, folks, that's it. I'm going to log out and have a good one. And I'm going to stop the recording right now. Take care. Bye-bye.